CarZing multi-brand car service. Uh, Regarding this Autorox software, it's very useful for us, and we are able to see the revolutionary changes, and especially in multi-brand car services. It's like mainly it helps us to maintain the customer data in a proper manner. And the second thing is in inventory management. It is very easy to maintain the inventory. I'm saying about the best features in the software, and one more feature is SMS. With the help of this software, we can able to send the SMS to the customers in different stages, right from entry of the vehicle to the quality check to the delivery of the vehicle. So in these stages, we will be able to send an SMS to the customer so that the customer feels very happy about this. And another feature is billing. Billing was very easy with the help of this thing. Before billing, we are able to generate the job cuts with the help of this software, in which we can maintain each and every minute detail of the car, so that there won't be any more clashes between the customer and the management. And another feature is PSF, post service feedback, and it's very helpful to get the data feedback data from the customer with the help of this software. And above all, what I can say about the software is it's very user friendly.